Unboxing video. We're back after a bunch of machine work on our very first barbecue board for GMG. 2 screw. All of our corners around it. We got our laser work for the barbecue board logo here. That's for the handles. And we're in the final steps of. Alright, so we did it. We're back. Front board for Green Mountain Grill. Daniel Boone. Steel handle. We also finished up our sideboard. Here we go. Giving it our oil bath. Watch that color change. One thing I wanted to show here is the new release of the barbecue board set for Green Mountain Grill. Not only do they look aesthetically pleasing, made from the highest quality material, specifically to fit your Green Mountain Grill. They're very functional. No need to move the board out of place when you open the lid. Going in, getting that turkey for Thanksgiving. That spiral cut ham, cutting it right in place. Alright, so we got our barbecue board trio all finished. Machine work done, assembled. The oil bath. Got that front board right there. This is the Daniel Boone or ledge. We'll also have a set of these for the Jim Bowie and hoop. Sideboard. Got a rub rack. All the things that are most important when you're grilling close by. Cold beverages, spices, everything else. That's the process of barbecue board research and development.